चीनी नायब वज़ीर-ए-आज़म तकरीब से मुखातिब हैं।
同八方坚定站在一起，携手同心，砥砺前行，弘扬好铁杆友谊，统筹发展与安全，开展更高水平、更广范围、更深层次的合作，推动中巴全天候战略合作伙伴关系迈上新的台阶，为两国乃至地区的和平繁荣做出更大贡献。预祝活动取得圆满成功，祝愿中巴友好万古长青。中华人民共和国主席习近平2023年7月31日。尊敬的夏巴兹总理、女士们、先生们、朋友们，我很荣幸作为习近平主席特别代表，同各位相聚在美丽的伊斯兰堡，共同庆祝中巴经济走廊启动10周年。习近平主席高度重视发展中巴关系，高度重视中巴经济走廊建设。在刚才宣读的贺信中，习近平主席充分肯定了中巴经济走廊建设取得的积极成果和重大意义，对走廊建设和中巴合作给予了深切关怀，提出了殷切希望，为下一步走廊的发展和中巴务实合作做出了战略指引。中方愿意同巴方一道，按照习近平主席贺信指明的方向，以更大的力度、更高的标准、更高的效率，推进中巴经济走廊建设，将其打造成为高质量共建“一带一路”的示范性工程，为中巴全天候战略合作伙伴关系持续发展注入新的动力。今年是共建“一带一路”倡议提出10周年，也是中巴经济走廊启动建设10周年。10年前，
10 years ago,
习近平主席提出
President Xi
共建“一
Jinping
带一路”的
proposed
伟大倡议
the great vision
和
of
亲
the BRI
诚
and
惠
neighborhood
容
diplomacy
周边合
of
作理念。
amity, sincerity, mutual benefit, and
巴基斯坦
inclusiveness.
积极响应，
And all have
中巴经济走廊
response from
应运而
Kazakhstan
生，
and CPEC
蓬勃发展，
and has since
成为
developed
共建“一带一路”
an
重要
important
先行
pioneering
先
project
试项目。
of BRI cooperation.
2015年，
In
习近平主
2015,
席对
President
巴基斯坦
made
进行了历史性的
state
国事
visit
访问，
to Pakistan.
中巴关系
Bilateral
提升为
relations
全天候
were elevated
战略合作伙伴
to
关系，
all-weather strategic
确立
cooperation
了中巴
partnership
经济走廊
and
1+4的合作布
the
局，
1+4 cooperation
走廊建设
for CPEC
步入快车道，
established, taking CPEC to a fast lane.
中巴建设经济走廊建设
CPEC
秉
follows
承
the Silk
和平
Road
合作
spirit of peace
开放包容
cooperation, openness
互学
and
互鉴
inclusiveness,
互
mutual
利
learning
共赢
and
的
mutual benefit.
丝绸之路精神，开创了共建“一带一路”
A successful
构建人类
practice
命运共同
of
体的
BRI
成功
cooperation
实践。
and the building of a community with a shared future
10年来
behind.
中巴经济走廊的
Over
建
a
设
decade,
扎实推进，
CPEC has made steady
成果丰硕
and productive
成为一
progress
条充满活力的
become a
开发走
corridor
廊。
of vitality and development.
在双方的共同努
With
力
our
下，
joint efforts,
以走廊建设为中心
the，cooperation layout
以
with
瓜达尔港
CPEC at the
交通
center
基础
and
设施
supported by Guadalajara
能
Port
源
infrastructure,
产业合作为
energy
重
and
点的
industry
合作布局，从蓝
has
图
turned
变
from
成现
vision
实。
to reality.
瓜达尔港
Guadalajara
已经具
Port
备
is now
全
in
作业
full
能力
swing.。
苏库尔
The Sukur Multan Motorway
喀拉昆
and
仑
the
路身体
upgraded
改造2
KKH
期
Phase
成
2
功开通，
are now open for traffic.
中巴首条
The first cross-border optical fiber cable
巴基斯
between
坦
China
首
and
条城市
Pakistan,
轨道交通
Pakistan's first
线
urban railway Orange Line,
首条高压
and the first
支流输电线
HVDC
路
transmission
莫拉
line
支流
between
投入使用。
Matiari and Lahore were put in
沙
use.
希瓦尔燃煤电站
Sahiwal
提前
coal-fired
高
power
质量
plant
竣
was
工，
completed ahead of
创造
schedule
了令人称
at
赞
an
的
impressive
杭州
Punjab
速度。
speed.
卡西姆港、
Power plants
湖部、
in Port
卡洛
Qasim,
特等
Hub
电站
and
项目
Karot
先后
were
建成
completed
投产。
and put into
巴
operation.
沙卡伊特
The Rashakai Special Economic Zone is
农
up
业
and running.
科技合作
Science
推进，
and IT and people's well-being
走
is
廊
making steady
成为
progress.
驱动经济增长
CPEC
的
has become
重要动
an
力源
important
泉，
driver
树
for
立了
regional
双
economic
边
growth.
战略复
It
兴
has set an example of mutual trust and common development. Over the decade, CPEC has promoted development and delivered shared benefits. It has become a corridor of well-being and prosperity. According to statistics, CPEC has brought $25.4 billion of direct investment to Pakistan, created thousands of jobs, and added 500 kilometers of highways, 8,000 megawatts of electricity, and nearly 900 kilometers to the national core transmission network. It has significantly changed local economy and livelihood. Guada Port has turned from a small fishing village to a regional logistics hub, and children in Fakir now have bright new schools. Women in Tar have now become professional truck drivers, and commuting time in Lahore has been greatly reduced, and many people no longer have to worry about frequent power outages. CPEC has brought significant changes to many ordinary people and has set an example of people first and shared benefits. Over the decade, CPEC has promoted women cooperation and has become a corridor of friendship. CPEC is a cooperation platform and is also a bond of friendship that brings our two peoples close together. It is a new benchmark for China-Pakistan friendship. Over the decade, Chinese engineers and Pakistani workers have worked hand in hand and in close coordination. They have set up buildings and built roads in some of the most impossible places, performing so many touching scenes of collaboration, excellence, mutual trust, and mutual support. During COVID, workers from the two countries overcome the difficulties to ensure the smooth operation of completed projects and steady progress of ongoing ones, writing stories of mutual support and women cooperation. CPEC opens up a new chapter of China and Pakistan community with a shared future in a new era, and sets an example of mutual support and good neighborliness. Here, I pay tribute to the diligent and courageous Pakistani people and to Chinese and Pakistani workers who participate in CPEC. It is your support, contribution, and hard work that turns CPEC from vision to reality. Your Excellency, Mr. Prime Minister, ladies and gentlemen, friends. Looking forward, China-Pakistan cooperation and CPEC will embrace new historical opportunities. China is following the guiding principles of the 20th CPC National Congress to apply the new development philosophy, foster a new development paradigm, and pursue high-quality development, and advancing the rejuvenation of the Chinese nation through a Chinese path to modernization. Pakistan is also exploring a path to industrialization, modernization, and sustainable development. We should continue to aim for high-standard, sustainable, and livelihood-enhancing outcomes, step up coordination and cooperation to build an upgraded version of CPEC, to break new grounds for high-quality development of CPEC, so as to promote an even closer China-Pakistan community with a shared future, bring more benefits to our two peoples, and make our own contributions to regional or even world development. To this end, I would like to propose the following suggestions. First, jointly building a growth corridor. We need to stick to the set blueprint and implement the long-term plan of CPEC. We should strive for an early start of the ML1 upgradation project, improve the overall planning for industrial park cooperation, and further promote practical cooperation on various fronts to help Pakistan achieve sustained, steady economic growth and achieve national prosperity. Second, jointly build a livelihood-enhancing corridor. We need to put the people first and deepen cooperation on industry, agriculture, health, education, training, and people's well-being, and carry out more small and smart livelihood projects. We need to develop human resources, create more jobs, so that more dividends of CPEC can be shared among the Pakistani people. Third, jointly build an innovation corridor. We need to follow an innovation-driven approach, give full play to relevant working groups, and expand cooperation on new areas such as high-tech, mobile communications, e-commerce, AI, and smart cities, to inject more impetus to CPEC with innovation. Fourth, jointly build a green corridor. We need to uphold green development and forge greater synergy between the Green Silk Road with the Green Pakistan initiative. We need to prioritize resource saving and environment protection, step up cooperation on green investment, infrastructure, agriculture, and disaster relief, and follow a path of green and low-carbon development. Fifth, jointly build an open corridor. We need to uphold openness and inclusiveness, actively step up communication and coordination with regional countries, welcome the participation of third parties in CPEC, and promote the extension of CPEC so as to advance regional connectivity and economic integration, to share cooperation opportunities, and pursue common development and prosperity. Ladies and gentlemen, friends, the world today is marked by volatility, and the changes unseen in the century are unfolding faster. Humanity is facing unprecedented risks and challenges. Not long ago, Chinese Premier Li Qiang and Prime Minister Shehbaz had two productive conversations and meetings, reached many new and important consensus. China is now carefully implementing these consensus. China and Pakistan are good neighbors, friends, partners, and brothers. Our joint effort against challenges will play a significant role to peace, development, and stability of our two countries and the region. China firmly supports Pakistan in safeguarding its national sovereignty, independence, and territorial integrity, and in pursuing national unity, social stability, and economic prosperity. We are sure that the diligent and courageous Pakistani people will create a better future with their own hands and focus on development to hold the future of Pakistan firmly in their own hands. The road ahead for Pakistan will be wider, and the prospects for Pakistan development will be brighter. China and Pakistan are bonded by shared mountains and rivers and common interests. Our two peoples share a time-honored and rock-solid friendship. CPEC is an accelerator of cooperation, new engine for growth, and a planter of friendship. It is further deepening our all-weather friendship, and we have gained valuable experience from it. First, sticking to strategic guidance. President Xi Jinping and the Pakistani leader attach great importance to CPEC. They have devoted personal efforts to use every meeting and exchanges of letters to exchange views, which provides top-level design and sets the direction for CPEC. Staying committed to extensive consultation and joint contribution. On the basis of full consultation, we identify cooperation areas, priorities, and models, and bring more Chinese investment and technologies to Pakistan, and more quality Pakistani products to the Chinese market and homes of Chinese households, thus realizing complementarity and winning cooperation. And staying committed to people's well-being. CPEC belongs to the people. It covers large areas and benefits a large population. Whether it is infrastructure such as power plants, roads, and ports, or it is exchanges and cooperation in industry, science and training. CPEC always follows the people-centered approach and is committed to creating a better life for the ordinary people. These precious experiences come from practice, and we should be cherished them. We believe that as long as we implement the guiding principles of President Xi's message and implement the important consensus reached between Premier Li Qiang and Prime Minister Shehbaz, China-Pakistan cooperation and CPEC in the next decade will make new progress in the next decade, and China-Pakistan relations will embrace an even brighter future. May Pakistan enjoy prosperity and its people happiness. May China-Pakistan friendship be everlasting. Chin Pak Dosti Zindabad. Thank you.
डिजिटल लोन स्कैम, आवाम को कर्जों के जाल में फंसाकर लूटने वाले भेड़िए बेनकाब।
बोल की काविशें बाराबर साबित हो गईं। ऑनलाइन कर्ज माफिया के गिर्द घेरा तंग हो गया है।
बोल ने दिया अपने आवाम का साथ, उठाई इस स्कैम के खिलाफ आवाज। बोल की डिजिटल लोन स्कैम के खिलाफ आगाही मुहिम की सबसे बड़ी ट्रांसमिशन 59% आवाम ने देखी अपनी स्क्रीन पर, क्योंकि बोल है पाकिस्तान का नंबर 1 न्यूज चैनल।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।